Which country emerged as the champions of the Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Correct option is D. China. Which nonmetal is found in liquid state at room temperature? Correct option is A. Bromine. Where was the third Grand Slam of the tennis Wimbledon 2025 held? Correct option is C. London, United Kingdom. What is the velocity of the ball at the exact moment it reaches its maximum height? Correct option is B. 0. At the 2025 Sportstar Aces Awards, who won the Sportstar of the Year award? Correct option is B. P.R. Srijesh. If the electric current is doubled while keeping the resistance constant, what will be the effect on power? Correct option is C. Power becomes 4 times. What is the IUPAC name for the chemical compound with the formula C2H5O? Correct option is D. Ethanol. Which country topped the medal tally at the ITTF World Table Tennis Championships Finals 2025 in Doha? Correct option is C. China. Which factors determine an object's gravitational potential energy? Correct option is B. Mass, acceleration due to gravity and height. What is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide in atomic mass units? Correct option is D. 44U. Who has been awarded the Templeton Prize for 2025? Correct option is A. Ecumenical Patriarch Bartholomew. Which of the following is not present in an animal cell? Correct option is A. Chloroplast. Which of the following is the primary waste product filtered by the nephrons in the human kidney, and what other major substance is regulated alongside it? Correct option is B. Urea and water. In which month was the Pravah portal launched by the Reserve Bank of India? Correct option is C. In May 2024. If the final speed of an object is 54 km per hour and it covers a distance of 150 meters, what will be its acceleration? Correct option is C. 0.75 meter per square second. Which chromosome is primarily responsible for triggering male sex determination in humans? Correct option is B. Y chromosome. When hydrogen carbonate reacts with an acid, which set of products is formed? Correct option is D. A salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Which of the following is found in free state in nature? Correct option is D. Gold. Who are the authors of the book Memories and Milestones, marking 60 years of Blue Cross of India? Correct option is A. V. Sriram and Lashman. What is the general nature of the image formed by a concave mirror? Correct option is C. Can be real and inverted or virtual and erect depending on object position. If the sum of 7 consecutive numbers is 168, then what will be the sum of the smallest and the largest number? Correct option is C. 48. Which of the following directly enters the bloodstream? Correct option is D. Adrenaline. What is mainly formed when calcium hydroxide reacts with chlorine? Correct option is B. Bleaching powder or calcium oxychloride. A man uses a concave mirror as a shaving mirror. If he stands very close to the mirror, what kind of image will be formed? Correct option is C. Virtual, erect, and large. What is always visible when a cell is observed under a microscope? Correct option is A. Cell membrane. Which statement about molecules of gases is correct? Correct option is B. They move continuously in all 3 states. The sides of a triangle are 17 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 21 centimeters. Find the length of the altitude to the side of length 21 centimeters. Correct option is D. 8 centimeters. Which of the following options represents what percentage 1/20th is of 11/40ths? Correct option is C, 18.18%. Who has recently been appointed as the Executive Director of the International Monetary Fund? Correct option is A, Urjit Patel. Who has been awarded the 2025 Nobel Peace Prize? Correct option is A, Maria Corina. Which protected area of Odisha has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Correct option is C, Simlipal Wildlife Sanctuary. Which state will host the 39th session of the National Games? Correct option is A, Meghalaya. Where has the 30th edition of UN Climate Change Conference 2025 held? Correct option is B, Belém, Brazil. What is India's rank among 147 countries? Correct option is B, 118th. Which is the first state to launch a menstrual leave policy that is mandatory for both government and private sectors? Correct option is D, Karnataka. Which state government has declared 2025 as the Year of Urban Development in October? Correct option is A, Gujarat. Where has the India-Russia joint military exercise Indra 2025 been held recently? Correct option is C, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Who has become the first Indian woman cricketer to score centuries in all 3 international formats? Correct option is B, Smriti Mandhana. Who won the men's singles title at the French Open 2025? Correct option is D, Carlos Alcaraz. Which Indian state is home to the Core Desert Biosphere Reserve recently designated by UNESCO? Correct option is B, Himachal Pradesh. Who was awarded the 2025 United Nations Nelson Mandela Prize? Correct option is C, both A and B, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy Oded. Where has the Asian Security Summit 2025 been organized? Correct option is A, Singapore. What is the position of India in the Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct option is D, 14th. What is the rank of India in the world mobile manufacturing according to Ministry of Electronics and IT? Correct option is B, 2nd. Who has been appointed as the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct option is C, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Recently, when was World Mental Health Day 2025 observed? Correct option is C, on 10th October. Which indigenous anti-drone grid has the Indian Army recently launched? Correct option is A, Saksham. Which Indian state has recorded the highest decline in child marriage? Correct option is D, Assam.